Alright, so welcome to Cocktail Fridays in my kitchen. I basically, in lockdown, have been making a bunch of different cocktails every Friday because we're in lockdown. So today I'm going to do the Caribbean Sour. Some of the recipes I found online use the Malibu Black. I don't have that. I'm just going to use this. It still tastes pretty good. So you need some sort of Caribbean rum. You need Aquafaba or egg white. Normally this recipe is with simple syrup, but I didn't have any sugar left, so I just made honey syrup. Let's see how that goes. Angostura bitters and some freshly squeezed lemon juice, or this guy if you don't have lemon juice. Of course you need ice as well. So it is portioned one of these to half of the honey and the lemon juice. So I'm going to do a double portion so that I've just got more to enjoy. I've still got some froth from the earlier one that I made and my camera stuffed up. So here we go again. Alright, so double shot of this. So one shot for me is 30 mils, which is I think 1 ounce, depending on what part of the world you're in. So I'm going to do double one. You guys can count. And then honey, we're going to do 1 because it was meant to be half. And then we're going to do 1 of these. That's everything. My lemon has a bit of pulp in it, but that's okay because it'll be strained out. And then Aquafaba. So probably half of this. You don't need too much of that. So you probably need like 15 mils. So 15 mils of this or 15 mils of egg white. Usually you get a lot more froth with the Aquafaba. That's it. So first you want to do a dry shake. So no ice yet. And that'll do. And you can see it's already quite frothy. Sorry about the lighting. And I'm going to add in my ice. I usually like to add in one of these fat ice cubes. I just feel like there's less bashing around in there, and it actually speeds up, or it works faster. Okay, and all the bartenders at home are going to be shaking their head at my shaking style, but that's okay. Alright, so that'll do. So just got these glasses out of the fridge. Just put them in there to chill for a little bit first. And getting the strainer and just straining it in. And use our bitters for some garnish. That'll do. Get yourself a little stick and make some fun shapes out of it. There we go.